Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these Toblerone cookies. Let's begin. So to get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a mixing bowl and place in your light brown sugar, butter and granulated white sugar and beat together until they are lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. Once you've achieved that, you can then go ahead and add your egg and vanilla and mix that in until it's fully incorporated. It will change and look something similar to this. Once you've achieved that, you can then go ahead and give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on, so don't forget to scrape the top and the bottom of the bowl, just to incorporate those bits that may not have been. Then add in your flour, salt and baking powder, but not forgetting to add in your white chocolate Toblerone and your Toblerone truffles. I didn't have enough white chocolate Toblerone, so I just topped it up with some of those truffles and mix that in on a low speed to start with, working you out to a medium-high speed, and mix until you have a dough that comes together. Then you can take your scoop and scoop up the cookie dough. In between your hands, you'll want to flatten it out and create a little dent in the middle, and then fill it with some chocolate spread. This bit is optional, but I feel like if you're having a cookie, you deserve to have a cookie with a filling. Just a plain cookie is a little bit boring, but who am I to say anything? I had a little hole in mine, so I just prepared it with a little bit more cookie dough. There's always a little bit left over with my recipe, which is perfect. Repeat the process until you have 5 cookies, which is 5 large cookies, or you can make 10 smaller cookies. And then you're good to go. You can bake them off and decorate them. Again, if you don't want to bake them straight away, you can freeze the dough and bake it up at a later date. That's really up to you. But it's always good to have cookies to hand they're quick and easy to make or bake off from frozen. Once baked, you can then go ahead and decorate them. I'm placing 2 of the Toblerone truffles onto each, and this is again an optional choice. You can do whatever you'd like, but I just want to do this. Then onto each cookie I add some white chocolate chips and some milk chocolate chips. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but I always feel like there's white and milk chocolate in it, so why would I not add more on top? I'm just using these little chocolate chips, but feel free to use or decorate them however you'd like. These cookies look and smell so good. They fill my kitchen with such a good smell. Like, I really wanted to eat them. But that's all today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. I'll be linked to this recipe, a link to my blog and links to all my social media. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.